So yeah, kittens, I was thinking about wearing this outfit here that I'm showing you guys. So this is basically just a tank dress, and I got this from Marshall's. And then I was just gonna pair it with this black and white cardigan. This is also from Marshall's. And then, oh, let me show y'all, hold on. Then I have knee-high socks. So I'm thinking of wearing these with it, and they're so cute. They have this little like frilly piece at the end. Okay, so yeah, so they have these little frilly pieces at the end. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna wear these, and I haven't worn them yet. Y'all can see that it's still in like the packaging. Pretty sure I also got these from Marshall's, and they were pretty cheap too. So underneath that, I was just gonna put on, this is my closet, y'all. I'm just gonna put on my Uggs, and it's just these black Uggs right here with the little bow ties. So yeah, I think that's gonna be cute. So let me put that on. So here's my complete outfit. So the Uggs, the knee-high socks, and then this dress, and then this cardigan. So yeah, that is gonna be what I'm wearing for Thanksgiving. Really comfy, and then obviously since it's chilly where I am, I'm gonna put on some tights with it. But yeah, so it's really comfy, nice and flowy, and yeah. Okay, I'll check back. Hey kittens, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are enjoying some yummy, awesome food. So I know I'm looking a little rough. I figured why not film a get ready with me Thanksgiving edition. So I'm gonna show you guys the process of what I do to get ready for today, and I hope y'all enjoy. Okay. And so as y'all can see, I got me some braids, girl. I was tired of just this natural hair game is a struggle, girl. So I had to get me some braids so I could get up and go, do my thing. So we're gonna take this do-rag off. Well, I shouldn't call it a do-rag, I guess it's a scarf. It's a better term. So hold on, y'all. Let's have this kind of tight. Sean? Okay, kittens. So this is how my hair is looking. And it's not as tight as when I first got it done, thank the Lord. It was so tight, y'all, like it hurt so bad. But I didn't get like those bumps, thank Jesus. So yeah, I'm gonna just grease my scalp and get to work, and yeah. So I went to go get some tea tree oil because I forgot that I didn't bring the tea tree oil in here. So here we go. Sorry y'all, I'm all over the place. So if I didn't tell you guys already, first we are going to my parents' house, so my mom and my dad. My grandma is already there. I talked to her this morning at like 10. We talked for like an hour, so it was nice because we got to catch up. So my grandma is already there, and as y'all can see, I'm in the process of getting ready. Sean just got in the shower. Cobra is roaming somewhere, y'all. I don't know what Cobra is, but he's roaming somewhere. So yeah, so we're almost together. And then, so yeah, so my mom starts at 2 p.m. And then Sean's parents, they're starting at 2 as well. But we're having it at Sean's grandma's house. So since she's a little further away and my parents aren't as far away, we're just gonna go to my parents first. And then we're gonna go to his grandma's afterwards. So yeah, but anyway, so far it should just be me, Sean, my parents, and my brother Petey. And it should be an awesome time. I'm excited. And I made yams for today. That's kind of like my specialty. My mom really helped me learn how to make yams. So yeah, and then I gotta learn how to make everything else, because goodness knows I don't know. So yeah, let me know in the comments below whose house you're going to, what you're excited to eat, if you make anything, if you have a specialty. Because girl, I love me some food, and I love to hear about some food, okay? So I greased my scalp. Some of the oil is like trickling down my forehead, but that's okay. And I don't know how I'm gonna wear my hair, y'all. Like, I don't know. Like, I like it like this, but then I also like it kind of like back behind me. Like, I like it like this as well, where it's just kind of like doing its own thing back here. It's a little party in back. But then, you know how like sometimes you'll take a couple braids and like twist them back, and it's real cute. I might do that, I don't know. But yeah, So my hair is good to go. Thank you, Lord, for these braids. Shout out to Reese, because girl, you saved me, okay, from this hair struggle. So thank you, Reese, so much for doing my hair. I super appreciate you. So this was my first time at the salon, right? And at the very end, Reese was like, oh my gosh, girl, I'm so sorry. Like, this is your first time here. I hope I didn't scare you away. Literally laughed the whole entire time. They were so fun and so funny. So here we go. I'm gonna do my eyes, and y'all know how I feel about eyeliner. It's like my specialty. So like yams, eyeliner are my specialties if you're wondering. So again, I'm using it's the LA Colors eyeliner. I get this from the Dollar General. It is like, I think $1.50 or $2. And it's my go-to. It's a liquid eyeliner. So I'm about to do my eyeliner and I'll check back. I'm gonna try and film it if I can. Okay, I might not get like the whole thing. Hey. Just kidding. I might not get the whole thing because I got focus, girl, and this I be struggling, okay? Like, I really be struggling. So yeah, so I'm excited today about Thanksgiving. My favorite foods to eat are, and I like to eat them like all together, like all on the same like scoop in my fork, or scoop in my fork. Does that make sense? Scoop in my fork. I like yams with mac and cheese and ham and or meatball and potato salad. Like, it all has to go together on the same fork. Every time I eat it, it's so good. So yeah, so actually y'all, I'm gonna come back and do my eyes because I can't focus. All right, hold on. I need to throw this back. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, but that's my one eye. So I like a really bold eye because I feel like if I'm wearing eyeliner, I want you to see it. I ain't do all that work for nothing. So yeah, and that was my right eye too, y'all. Like, normally I can't do my right eye that well. Like, I could always do my left eye better than my right. I don't know. And since I don't have no makeup wipes, I don't know where they went. I am using water and some tissue. Gotta go old school, girl. Okay. All right. So yeah, y'all, I am super excited to eat. I'm not hungry right now. Like, I made breakfast for me and Sean at like, oh my gosh, what time was it? It was late, later than it normally is. I think it was like 10:30, and I made breakfast. I was like, oh my gosh, we gotta eat breakfast. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'm gonna come back. Okay, hey. Y'all, my eyelashes are growing, and I'm just realizing it today. So they're basically even. So I'm not one of them people that are super picky. And what's that word called? Sean, what's that word called when you're like, you are like, oh, a perfectionist. There we go. So I'm not like a perfectionist when it comes to my eyes. Like, girl, if they basically match, that's what it's gonna be today. That's how I am. And then, I don't know, y'all, like, I'm not a foundation person. I do like how foundation looks on people and how they pull it all together and they contour and do all that stuff, highlights, blah, blah, blah. But I'm just not that kind of person. Like, throw a wing on, girl, put some stuff in my inner corners, put on some chapstick, call it a day. That's just my speed. That's what I'm comfortable with. I am interested in learning how to do like my eyebrows and stuff, but again, that's more time, that's more money. No. So with that said, I'm thinking about doing the corners of my eyes. The only thing, I always like touch like inside the corners of my eyes. I know that's gross, I'm sorry, but I do. So I don't know, but I might go in with my Fenty Beauty, my trophy wife. Okay, so here we go. So I got my little Q-tip, got my trophy wife, and I just dab the very tip. Ooh, that was too like puffy. And I just dab the very tip of the Q-tip. Tap it because that's what I see people do. And then I'm gonna just put it up in my corner. So hold on. Okay, and there we go. Yay. I'm not doing my top. I've just decided, no thanks. So there goes my makeup. I hope you guys like. And then my hair, y'all, it's just gonna sit like this for right now because yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna put on some perfume because girl, you can't be smelling any kind of way, okay? I'm already showered, so don't y'all even think I'm going there stank because I'm not. But I'm just putting on pink sugar, and I got this roll-on So you know when you go to like flea markets and stuff, and they have like them little side shops and people make their own roll-ons. Yeah, but be careful with that. Like test it on your skin first, because you don't want to break out or anything like that. So again, I'm using pink sugar. Okay, and I might put it like a couple dabs, like right on my wrist and stuff. Even though like my clothing is gonna cover it, but then it's gonna get my clothing. Gonna get you a little whip, like, oh girl, you smell pleasant, like you clean. Like, yes ma'am. Got to be hygiene 101, guys. And I'm basically dressed. I'm just gonna throw on my look. I'm basically dressed, but I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm not ready. I'm basically dressed, but I'm just gonna throw on my tights and my knee-high socks. And I should be, oh, and my shoes, right? That's important. And then after that, I should be ready to go. Okay, kittens, I'll be back. I need to get low, to the window, to the wall. Hey, I'm just kidding. Haha, don't. This is not kid friendly today. Sorry. Look at you, Hobby. Are we? For real? I just want to show y'all. Let me take this back. Un poquito. Katera. Come here, baby. You say Happy Thanksgiving. No, come here. Yes. Sweet man. I love you.
Did you hear him say it? Did you hear?
Anyway, hey kittens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me video, Thanksgiving edition. Again, my outfit is super comfy. I'm not wearing nothing too crazy, too extravagant. Sean is in the background trying to mess me up, but that's okay. So again, my little cardigan, my little tan dress, and then I'm gonna bring it down a little bit to show you guys like the bottom. And then again, so my leggings and then my Uggs with my white knee-highs. So if you guys enjoy, okay kittens, adios. The whole video, Sean.
Oh, what was that?
I was gonna say vlog.
Oh, that was the word?
Mom, if you are watching this video, know that I love your son, but your son is always messing with me, okay?
That's not the word you usually use.
Stop, don't you lie to your mom. No, Mom, Get your son, Mom. Get him. Get him, please. Next, I'm telling Mimi, so keep trying. You know, Mimi gonna tell you, keep on living. You're gonna find out. Anyway, kittens, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, happy Thanksgiving. I will see you guys soon, kittens. Adios.
Your laptop.
You can let me finish out? See what I'm saying? Y'all my witnesses.